Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared in my videos, practice very well on your demo account before you start trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. These are the assets we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. Okay, the performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities. Quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. It was on downtrend right from here, and of course it came to an end around there. So right from here it has started an uptrend, which is a buying opportunity. So, and it is still buying at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500. This had been on uptrend, a very strong one at that, and of course got to this region, pulled back, went back up to break out above it, and of course it is still buying. Okay, except if it's unable to break out above the next resistance zone, that is when it will start selling. But for now it is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, but you should have it at the back of your mind that if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, then it will start selling. The next asset is going to be crash 1000. Crash 1000 started selling right from this resistance zone, got to this support zone, pulled back and went back down again to break out below this support zone, and of course it has got into this region. It bought for a while before going down again. It will be trying out the support zone. If it's unable to break out below it, then it will start a buy trend fully. Okay, but for now it is still selling until it is unable to break out below the support zone. The next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out. Crash 500 had been on uptrend, even though the movement has not been that smooth, but it has been more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Got to this resistance zone and range around there for a while, waiting for a breakout to happen. But if it breaks out below it, then definitely it will go fully into a sell trend. But if it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. Okay, so you should watch out for that, but I'm expecting it to go into a sell trend. Okay, once it breaks out below that support zone. Okay, so this is very important because it has gotten to a resistance zone already. So the last asset is going to be volatility 75. This is volatility 75. This started selling right from this resistance zone, and it came to an end around this support zone, and right from here it has started an uptrend, and it is still buying at the moment, even though it is finding difficult to break out above this resistance zone. But once it breaks out above it, then it's going to buy more. But if it does not, we are most likely to see a sell trend right from there once it breaks out below this particular support zone. Okay, so this is very important, but for now it is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis. Make sure you apply them carefully whenever you are trading, and of course for those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to your chart, practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.